As a commercial loan broker, when you're working with clients, time kills deals. This is one of our mottos at the Commercial Loan Broker Institute. What do we mean by it? Well, if you are not actively working with that client, there are a variety of ways in which that deal or loan opportunity can disappear. That particular client can decide they're going to get financing somewhere else. That particular client can reestablish what they're looking for as far as their goals or their needs. They can decide to go in a different direction for growing their business. Or thanks to nothing related to the client themselves, that deal can just fall through. They're buying a business or they're buying a piece of real estate and it's purchased from someone else who moved more quickly. Because there's so many different ways that time can kill a deal, we believe in moving very quickly whenever you have an opportunity in your brokerage. What does this mean when you're first enrolling and getting started? Well, if you're coming into the Institute with current opportunities, you have people who you know who are in need of financing today, then the moment you enroll, go ahead and schedule a coaching session. And we'll make sure that that day, or if it's at the end of the day, that within one business day, you will have a coaching session where you will go over that loan opportunity. You'll do a deep dive into it, go through the assessment process, and see if there's any missing pieces that you need to go back to the client and get more information about. If everything is in order, your coach will tell you clearly, here's the document you need to use for a contract in this particular type of financing. Here's the lender you should be working with. They'll go ahead and introduce you and make sure that by day number 2, you have that client contracted, placed with a lender, and the financing moving ahead. Now, in this scenario, that partner will not have gone through the training in its entirety, probably will not even have made it through more than 1 or 2 of the first modules. So they have not completed the education, but they are already learning and making money simultaneously, because learning by doing is without doubt one of the most effective ways to learn. We find that the retention is astronomically higher when you are learning by working a deal. When there is money on the table for you, you will remember, you will pay more attention, you will focus better, you will remember more from that experience than you will from just a more traditional lecturing on that same topic. Even if that lecture had a lot more detail, you will gain more from learning by doing. That practical education is a key component undergirding our entire approach at CLBI. And it also is a key part of how you move ahead and make money while learning simultaneously.